The ancient alarm clock that used water is not what you think. Ancient Greeks were tired of waking up late, so they invented a water clock. It would slowly fill up, and when it was full, it would trigger a whistle or a bell to let them know that it was time to get up. But some people wanted more. They wanted to be splashed with water. So some of them would use pressure to splash water on people to wake them up. If you were a light sleeper, you could set the alarm for multiple times throughout the night. So if you were awoken by the sound of a bell, you would then be splashed with water. And if that didn't work, the next alarm would go off, and it would keep going until you finally woke up. Subscribe for more interesting facts.